Okay, so Centroid by integration. Just so that everybody is aware of it, we're going to do a triangle, and when we get done, this will actually just prove out a triangle for you. But it's this. Okay. All right, and we're going to do this with H. And we're going to call this one little a. And I'm interested in knowing the centroid that will be someplace in there. Okay. And this point will be called y bar EL, and we are y here, okay, and this will be x to here, and this will be dx. Okay. And let's see, this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. All right. So the equation we're going to play with is y is equal to h over a and multiply times x. Okay. And this is dA will be equal to h minus the y dx. Okay, so our height minus that to get that area we're looking at. Okay, and if we do this right, we can solve this for h. It'll be 1 minus x over a dx. Okay. I'm sorry. The dA based on y will be that, and on the x side will be this. Okay. Depends which way we're playing the dA for which set of equations. So keep that in mind. So the first thing is, let's find x L bar equal to x. Okay. And y bar elevation will be 1/2 h plus y. And that'll be equal to h over 2, 1 plus x over a, and I'll take care of that. Okay, cool. All right, now for the areas. Area is going to be the integration of dA, which is why we found the dA up above. All right, and if we institute this, we're going to go from 0 to a. All right, and it'll be h1 plus x over a. Oops, 1 minus. 1 minus, okay. Gonna have to keep track of where we are in space up here, okay? And that will be times dx, okay? We do the integration for that, and we're gonna get h x minus x squared over 2a. a to the 0 equals 1/2 AH. Okay, so that's our area, which, believe it or not, is the 1/2 base times height for an area of a triangle. Okay, that's where that came from. One other thing I want to point out here. So this could be written as h x minus x squared over 2a parentheses, and then a line 0 to a. Depends on how you like to do it. Okay, but either of those will work. So the rules that you used in math are still the rules you use in math. Okay, now we need to find the integral of x bar L dA, okay, and that's going to be equal to the integral of 0 to a x times h 1 minus x over a dx, yeah, close parentheses, okay, and be h over x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3a, and we're going to go 0 to a, and that leaves us a 1/6 a squared h. Okay, so we're going to need this piece and that piece. And if you remember back to the table, we had the area, we had the x bar, and we had the x bar times a. Okay, so now we have a couple parts and pieces here from the table version. All right, let's find the parts and pieces for the y. So the integral of y bar L dA is equal to 0 to a h over 2 1 plus x over a, and that's going to be times h 1 minus x over a, and close parentheses dx. Oh, did I do that? X over a. Oh, no, I'm okay, because it's that value up here. The dA is equal to, okay, we're good. And close that parentheses. Okay, and when we do that integral, we're going to get h squared over 2, the integral system or symbol a to z, 1 minus x squared over a squared dx. Okay, and we're going to have to integrate, or actually do the integration now. So it's h2 over 2, and we're going to be x minus x cubed over 3a squared, 0 to a, and it'll be 1/3 ah squared. Okay, that's the other number we're going to need. All right, so now our x bar a is the integral of x bar el dA such that x bar is equal to 1/2 ah, that's an h, and that's going to be equal to 1/6 of a squared h. And my y bar a is the integral of y L dA, and that'll be y bar 1/2 AH equals to the 1/3 AH squared. And if you look for the x bar, this would be this x bar, the one with the funny tails on it, will be 2/3 A, and the y is 2/3 H. Okay, so basically that triangle up here will be 2/3 from the right back, 2/3 the way up this way. Okay. No, I did something wrong there. Sorry, I wrote something in wrong. This should be 1/3 A. Two-thirds H in for this particular problem. Okay, I'll find you an example for this one. We'll do an actual integration with some real numbers instead of just playing in the explicit or implicit way.